I'm going to hit connect. Agree. Need to connect here. This is your drawing part. So we'll just do something simple. Square. You can enter your measurements here. Location. So this is the center of the part. This is the corner of the part if you want. You can do just a little hole in the center. Do a 1-inch hole. Okay, so once you got that done, you want to highlight your part. Then you'll go arrange, make path. So this will join your part together, so it becomes one part. Then you highlight again, you go machine, create toolpath, mail. You go okay. So then your toolpath is on. You go highlight your part. What is it? F7, it zooms your part. Then if you highlight, go view, show toolpath only. From there you can either save it, file, save as. So we'll save a 2-inch square withhold this. Now it is saved, you can go file, export. Oh, 2-inch. So select that. You'll save it. Once that's done, you go in the black program. That brings you to this page. You'll go file, import. That was under documents, CNC. So you choose your part, save. So usually thin stuff you can go 60 inch per minute. And then I'll say okay. That's my part. So once we are there, we're able to move the table so we can you can go on the controller and you'll go jog slide, okay. So this will bring your up and down. So it's easier to pick the corner of your table or your plate. Okay, then you'll go. So you'll set your program to 0 all. So basically this one is the 0 of the machine, this one is the 0 of your plate. And then you can go G-code. And the next step, so you hit the cut button until it lights up. And if you, we need air and electrical on the plasma. So let's have a quick.
Forgot to put the ground on. And here's the part that was cut.
So we got spare tips and accessories for the plasma. The wrench is in here. That's the license that needs to be plugged in the computer for it to work. So the drawing, and then the CD, and the USB is the program once you, if you change a computer or something.
Torchmate setup. Got the Lincoln Tomahawk 1000 CNC. And this you fill with water, so it's a water table.
Then it doesn't smoke.
And you don't get any bunch of smoke. And here she is.